Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Xiaomi Qin F22 Pro, a unique smartphone that blends minimalist design with smart functionality, perfect for those who want a compact device without sacrificing modern features. Let's break down its specs and features to see what makes this phone stand out. This device sports a 3.54-inch IPS LCD touchscreen with a 640x960 resolution, delivering crisp visuals in a pocket-friendly size. Weighing just 116 grams and available in sleek porcelain, white or iron gray, it's super lightweight and feels sturdy with a glass front and solid build. It's ideal for anyone looking to reduce screen time while staying connected. Under the hood, the Qin F22 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, an octa-core processor clocked at 2.0 GHz, paired with a Mali G52 GPU. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, it handles everyday tasks like browsing, messaging, and light multitasking smoothly. It runs Android 12 out of the box, giving you access to the Google Play Store for apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Microsoft Office. The phone's interface is simple and intuitive, making it easy to navigate, and it integrates well with other Xiaomi products for a seamless experience. It's not built for heavy gaming, but it can handle casual games just fine. For photography, you get an 8-megapixel rear camera with an LED flash, using a Sony IMX219 sensor for decent shots in various lighting conditions. The 2-megapixel front camera is great for selfies or video calls, supporting up to 720p video. The 2150 mAh battery keeps you going all day with normal use, offering up to 110 hours of standby time or 13.5 hours of browsing. It supports 10W fast charging, so you're back to full power in about 2 hours. Connectivity is solid with dual 4G SIM support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C, and even an IR blaster for controlling devices. The Qin F22 Pro also has a unique hybrid design with physical buttons and a touchscreen, catering to those who want a retro feel with smart features. It's perfect as a backup phone or for business use, supporting GPS and popular apps without the distractions of a larger smartphone. Priced around $135 to $165 in the US, it's a budget-friendly option for minimalists. That's it for the Xiaomi Qin F22 Pro. If you're intrigued by its compact vibe and smart capabilities, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.